हाँ काशी भाई, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। यार ज़रा अपने मुताल्लिकीन में एक टेक्स्ट मैसेज भेज देना कि बफलो से दुआओं की रिक्वेस्ट आई है। यहाँ पे हालात बहुत ख़राब हो गए हैं सर्दी की वजह से। घरों में 4-4 हफ्ते के बच्चे हैं, उनके घरों में लाइट नहीं है और कोई सूरत नहीं है। 911 बंद हो गया, बिजली के तार टूटे पड़े हैं। और बस मैसेज भेज दो, चाहे मेरा फॉरवर्ड ही कर दो मैसेज, वॉइस मैसेज सबको। इस वक्त हम उस मकाम पे पहुंच चुके हैं कि हमारे पास सिवाय दुआओं के अब कोई रास्ता नज़र नहीं आता हमें। तो बस इसलिए आपको यही मेरा मैसेज छोड़ दें आगे, that whoever listens to this message, please make some sincere dua uh, for safety and well-being of all the community members, Muslims, non-Muslims. Things are very bad here. There's absolutely no way for us to get out and get some help to anyone else, and there's no way for anyone else who is in need of help to come, where we can provide them any kind of help. We have some community centers. We have a community center here in Darloom. I already made the announcement in the community that anyone who is in need of help, they can come here. They can stay. We have, alhamdulillah, electricity in the building. But again, transportation is becoming an issue. And as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in many places in the Quran, that a time comes when there is nothing left other than dua. Most definitely we are in that situation right now. So I'm calling every single one of my contacts and requesting them to make some sincere dua for us. Ask your children to make dua for the safety and well-being of all the people here in the city of Buffalo and everywhere else around, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.